guys, my name is Florence and welcome to my channel. I'm using this lovely pink colour. I'm going to be using this lovely pink shade.
Wow, that's so sparkly.
And now I'm going to be doing this next colour. I'm going to be doing this mascara. Finished the mascara, so next I'm going to do this blush. So let me open this, and I think I might do this. Okay.
This brush.
Okay, this brush. So I got this brush, and now we'll just
What colour are you going to pick?
This.
I reckon the bright pink one.
This one?
The middle one.
This one. I'm going to do this lip gloss.
Hot pink.
Hot pink. So it's hot pink, and let's put that on it. Okay, I'm gonna get this on. And then so I just finished with the lip gloss. And this is the final look. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.